What happens when the US government doesn't just regulate exports, but takes a cut of them? That's exactly what's happening now with Nvidia and AMD. The Trump administration just confirmed it will impose a 15% fee on certain chip sales to China, including Nvidia's H20 and AMD's MI308, two processors that are critical for AI applications. This isn't your standard export control. Charging companies a percentage of revenue to sell into one country is completely unprecedented. The backstory? Nvidia and AMD agreed to the new fee structure last week, according to the Financial Times. And with billions of dollars potentially at stake, the big question is, where will all this money actually go? The government hasn't said. Nvidia, for its part, noted it hasn't shipped the H20 to China for months. Still, it's hoping the rules evolve so America can stay competitive in China and globally. AMD hasn't commented yet. Here's the catch. Demand in China is sky high. Reports suggest Chinese buyers are ready to scoop up Nvidia's chips the moment they're allowed, with Nvidia even ordering hundreds of thousands more units from TSMC just to keep pace. Blocking sales has already cost Nvidia an eye-watering $4.5 billion in one quarter alone. If you think this is just another trade policy, think again. This move signals a new era where governments don't just control the flow of technology, they profit from it. The stakes? Billions of dollars, global competition, and the future of AI hardware. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear your take. Is this smart policy or a dangerous precedent? And don't click away yet. Watch the related video in the corner for more on how US tech policy is reshaping AI markets worldwide.